Hi, welcome to Vimal's Curry Pot. Today I'm going to show you how to make pepper chicken with the boneless chicken. So let's get started. Let's check out for the ingredients. Now let's heat a pan. Add some oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is heated, we'll add whole spices. 2 small pieces of cinnamon, 2 cloves, 2 cardamoms and some fennel seeds. Now to this oil add 1 cup of onion. Fry this well till it turns brown in color. I used red and white onions. If you have shallots, it will taste very good. Shallots go very well with the chicken. Fry this till it turns golden brown, and then we'll add ginger garlic paste to it. Add some curry leaves. Fry this well. Saute for 2 minutes. Then we'll add in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry this well. Fry the ginger garlic paste till the raw smell goes off, and we'll add in the chicken to it. Add 1 pound of chicken to this and saute this till the chicken turns pale in color. We'll add a pinch of salt to it. To this chicken, we'll add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, red chili powder. I'm using here Kashmiri red chili so that it gives a good bright color to the chicken. Add a teaspoon of salt. Saute the chicken very well. Just sprinkle little bit of water and mix all this together and let this cook for a while. Close it with the lid. If you want, you can check for salt or chili powder at this stage. Now let's grab some coriander from my garden. Fresh coriander leaves. Wash it, and we'll add this at the later stage. Now check if the chicken is done. Yeah, you have to cook this chicken for 2 more minutes. Let's cover with the lid. Now add a teaspoon of black pepper, grounded black pepper to this mixture, and saute this till the moisture gets dry, because this is a dry chicken. Now let's garnish with some fresh cilantro and just saute this for a while. Our chicken fry is done, our pepper chicken fry. This goes very well with sambar rice, curd rice, rasam, dal rice, even with chapati. Now our chicken is done, so let's plate it out. Today it's raining, it's very good for a rainy day. So we are going to have this with dal rice. I hope you guys try this and leave your comments in the comments box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.